I'm hearing, I've seen a few interviews on it, that Nike's not, they outlaw reselling because it hurts their bottom line, and also reselling these Nikes make more than what they were worth buying for.
Right. Well, this is where the issue and the problem is with me. I buy this pair of tennis shoes. I can do whatever I want to with them.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
That's what they said.
For real.
Like, how the fuck they gonna dictate what people do with their shoes?
Right. It's like, really? Come on, man. Really? Okay, so are you gonna dictate what I could do if I'm gonna go buy this car? And
they're pissed.
It's like they can feel and be pissed on however they want to be pissed off at. Yeah. So okay, what do you want to do? Go ahead. Yeah. Change up your marketing to where you want to go ahead and start selling these shoes for X amount of dollars. See if that works for you. But don't get mad at the game. Don't hate the game and what happens. Yeah.
Exactly.
Don't
hate the players that are attached to the game. And look, like something that cost $65 now is worth $500-$600, and they going to the Nike fashion shows coming up $4,000-$5,000 on the shoes, dude. Right. And they're looking like they're reselling our shit, making that much money, and we ain't getting nothing from it.
Well, why should you? Because at the time, this was your product that you sold. I bought that product.
Yeah.
That's fine. Just like with cars. You see it happen all the time.
Yeah.
So, was Ferrari thinking about the same thing when they were selling them back in the 60s or something like that? No, we need to sell these right now. You know, and it's people that put a determination and value on that. Fast forward to current times, and there's a $23, $25, $26 million Ferrari